Hi everybody! In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add primitive meshes in a single 3D model in Blender. Check it out. So we have a cube here, a primitive mesh, which is fine for this tutorial. What we have to do is switch to edit mode and go here to this button. If you hold the mouse button, you can select the primitive mesh you want to add, a sphere, a cylinder, a cone. Let's start with a cube, okay? So over your mouse on any face you want to add your primitive mesh. Let's start from the top, okay? Then click the left mouse button and start dragging the base of your shape. If you want to make it like a square, since we're adding a cube, hold the shift key in your keyboard and drag the mouse here. So we have a perfect square. So release the mouse button and now go up or down depending on what shape you want to create. Again, if you hold the shift key, you're gonna make a perfect cube no matter where your mouse goes, okay? So click again the button and we've just added another smaller cube here. If you switch back to object mode, you can see that the object is still a single one, not two, okay? So let's go back to edit mode and try to add a cone, maybe on this face. So start dragging the mouse to make the base, hold the shift key to make a perfect circle, and then you have to give it some depth to this cone. So let's try this. Again, object mode, we still have a single object with these two primitives, new meshes. Let's go back to edit mode and try to add a cylinder. I want to show you something else. Okay, so drag to make the base of the cylinder, hold the shift key to make a perfect circle, release the left mouse button, and then if you hold the Option or Alt key on your keyboard, you can make a mirror effect. So this is what it looks like. Click again to create the shape. Go back to object mode and you have, again, a single object with a few primitive meshes here. Of course, if you want to edit them, since they are not single objects, but just one 3D model, you have to go back to edit mode, use the select tool, and select vertices or faces or edges, whatever you want, in order to edit them. Okay, so let's pretend we want to edit this cylinder. It's all selected. We can use the scale tool or whatever we want to use, even the move tool, to move it here. If we go back to object mode, again, single object, but with our edited cylinder here. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated about new videos and tutorials. And if you want to have some fun and keep your brain in a good shape, you can also check my puzzle games. You can find the link in the description. See you next time.